guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, in this video we are covering how tough are actually German exams, Indian versus German exam. Indian versus German system. So yes, we're gonna cover lots of things in detail. I hope you're gonna love this video because yes, I have got a comment and yes, here is the video for you. So yes, if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a Steven, the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training, program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
Let's discuss how difficult are German exams. Let's talk about Indian exam system. So in India, the exam system mainly focuses on memorization and theoretical knowledge. Students usually prepare for exams by reading textbooks, memorizing answers and practicing previous exam papers. Typical features of Indian exam systems are long written answers, theory-based questions and focuses on marks and percentages. For example, the questions which you get in Indian exams are explain the topic in details, write the definition or describe the concept. Whereas German exam focuses more on understanding and applications. Students are expected to analyze information, solve problems and express their own opinions. Typical features of German exams are short but analytical questions, then case studies and practical applications. For example, in German exams, you get questions like analyze the situation, explain your opinion, or solve the problem. So instead of memorizing, students must understand concepts deeply. Now let's compare the difficulty levels in both the exams. So German exams are not necessarily harder, they are different in style. In Indian system, your focus is more on memorization based, long theoretical answers, fixed syllabus questions and focus on marks, whereas in German exam system it is concept based, analytical answers, unexpected questions and focuses on understanding. German university exams. University exams in Germany often include written exams, presentations, research projects, group work and oral exams. Students must also learn independent study skills. Professors may not repeat everything from class and students are expected to read and research on their own. German language exam. If you plan to study in Germany, you may need exams like TestDaF, DSH, Goethe Institute certificate and more like TELC. These exams test your reading, listening, writing and speaking skills. Unlike many Indian exams, you must actively use the language, not just recognize it. Then let's discuss the biggest challenges for Indian students. The biggest difficulty is not the content but the learning style. Students must think critically, express opinions, work independently and manage time well. Once students adapt, many find the system more practical and interesting. Now the advantages of the German system. The German education system helps students develop analytical thinking, problem-solving skills, research ability and real-world knowledge. That is why German universities are respected worldwide.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.